Here I have a size K, a 10.5 hook, or a 650 millimeter, 6.5 millimeter, and I'm going to start on the half double after I make a small chain. Okay, I did 17 chain, so wrap around, go through, grab the yarn, pull through, wrap around the yarn, grab it, and pull through 3. So wrap around, go through, grab the yarn, pull through 1, grab the yarn, and pull through all 3. Wrap around, this is a little bigger than a single crochet and a little smaller than a double crochet, and those are US terms, not UK terms. This yarn is really soft. I like it for that, but when it's in the Ogo thing, I don't like it. I'm not a real big fan of it. So here, I'm at the end, almost. I think I have one more stitch here. Sometimes it's easier just to turn the hook. So here is the half double crochet. Thank you.